Hello students, today we will learn the topic various types of loop statements in C programming language. In C programming language, there are two basic types of loops. First, entry control, and second is exit control. In entry controlled loops, the condition is checked first before entering the loop. In exit controlled loops, the loop is executed first and then the condition is checked. Once the condition in either of the above loop is found to be false, the loop breaks and we come out of the loop. Various types of entry controlled loops are for loop and while loop. The only exit controlled loop is do while loop. Now let us look in detail various entry controlled loops. The while loop. General declaration of while loop is while condition starting and ending brackets, and in between them we can write the statements to be repeated. For example, let us look the following program written in C programming language. This particular program declares a variable I of integer type and also initializes it with the value 1. Now we enter into the while loop. The condition contains I should be less than equal to 5. Current value of I is 1, which is less than 5. So the condition is found to be true. Hence we go inside the loop. There exists a printf statement which prints the data onto your console screen, and it prints the current value of I. Then after the value of I is incremented by the statement I plus plus by the value 1. So the new value of I becomes 2. Now we go back to the loop, check the condition. 2 is still less than 5. So we once again go inside the loop, print the current value of I, that is 2, and again increment the value of I, and so the new value of I becomes 3. We again go back to the condition part of the loop where the value of I, current value of I, that is 3, is checked with 5. 3 is found to be less than 5, so the loop is still repeated. Condition is true, so the value of I is printed, which is 3. And again the value of I is incremented by 1 by the statement I plus plus. Again the condition is checked, so current value of I is 4, which is found to be less than 5. So we go inside the loop, we print the current value of I, that is 4, and again we increment the value of I by 1. Hence the new value of I is 5. Again we go back to the condition part of the while loop where the value of I, current value of I, that is 5, is checked with the condition. Hence I becomes, that is 5 becomes equal to 5, so condition is found to be true. Hence we once again go inside the loop, print the current value of I, that is 5. Again we increment the value of I by 1, so the current value of I becomes 6. 6 is checked with the condition of the while loop, and 6 is found to be greater than 5, so the condition is found to be false. So we go out of the loop, and finally we go out of the main program. In this way the working of while loop takes place. Now let us understand the working of for loop. General declaration of for loop is something like this. For initialization, then semicolon, then condition part, then again semicolon, and then incremental part. And in between the body of the for loop, we can write the statements to be repeated. Now let us understand the program to write a for loop. We can modify the same program to write the for loop as follows. As you can see, we again start with the main program. Here we declare a variable called I of integer type. In the for loop section, we initialize the value of I with 1. We give a condition where I is less than equal to 5, and in increment portion we write down I plus plus. Again now first the initialization will take place, then the condition will be checked. Since the condition is found to be true, we go inside the for loop and we print the data current value of I, which is 1. Then the value of I will be incremented by I plus plus. This time no initialization will take place. Again we go to the condition section and we go inside the loop and we print the data. And in this way we keep on printing till the value of I is less than 5 or equal to 5. Once the value of I becomes greater than 5, the loop will be broken as previously and we will go out of the main. Here we note down initialization will take place only once, then condition will be checked, loop statement will be executed, then increment will take place, condition will be checked, loop statement will be executed, increment will take place, condition will take checked, loop statement will be executed. In this way, the working of for loop can be explained with the help of an example.